Oh. Go, go, go.
How you doing? Good. That's okay. Here, want me to put it up? Should I help you?
Yeah.
Okay, should I help you the rest of the way? Thank you so much. You want to open that?
Yay!
Okay, let's go up the rest of the stairs, then we can open it.
Yay!
Come on. Thanks so much for carrying this white basket.